Let's see how to view all comments in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, right now, you can see these little dialog boxes right here at the side. Now, these boxes, or these icons rather, indicate comments in your document. And let's say that we want to view what these comments contain. So first, we can simply just click on them to reveal all of the comments right there. However, another thing that you can do instead of clicking on them is first click on the review tab. And let's say that these comments are hidden. You can simply click on show comments to review all of the comments in our document. And you can even choose whether you want a contextual type or a list type right here to pop up from the right side of your window. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.